Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the fail to load OnlineFix64.dll error code 126. All right, so let's begin with the video. This error usually happens when your antivirus, especially Microsoft Defender, mistakenly deletes or quarantines the OnlineFix64.dll file. When the file is removed, the program or game cannot load it, which triggers error code 126. First, open Windows Security on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the shield icon in the system tray or by searching for Windows Security in the Start menu. Once Windows Security opens, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Next, click on Protection History. This section shows all the files that your antivirus has recently blocked or quarantined. Now look through the list and find the entry related to OnlineFix64.dll or the program you installed. Click on that item to expand it. You'll see more details about the detected file. Click on the Actions button and then select Restore. When you restore the file, it will be placed back into its original location, allowing your game or application to load the DLL file properly again. Once the file is restored and your antivirus is no longer blocking it, try launching the program again. The error code 126 should now be resolved. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the fail to load OnlineFix64.dll error code 126. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.